Hi, I'm Ramir Angeles from Sirmo Mobility Vision Plus. So we are an AI-driven smart urban mobility startup. So I'd like to thank Unido, Cleaner Asia, Bantoxic, and La Salle University for inviting me to this event. It's actually nice to be able to talk and speak to all of these students who are, going to be in the forefront of innovating for changes towards our triple planetary crisis, and hopefully bring lasting change, breaking boundaries and the status quo towards impact that will be felt by the Filipino people in the years to come.
Okay, one last thing. Let's do a shout out. On the count of 3, sigaw ka ng What's up Pilipinas? Let's mobilize and ignite. Ayun.
What's up Pilipinas?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
What's up Pilipinas? Let's mobilize and ignite.
Thank you.